former prosecutor and Judge Ken Anderson is going to jail.
He is criminally charged tonight with withholding evidence that could have proven Michael Morton innocent and kept him out of jail for 25 years for a murder he didn't commit.
The question tonight, though, is what about Anderson's other cases? KITV's Melanie Lofton is on it. Mel, what did you find out?
Well, it's an important question. Well, Innocence Project co-founder Barry Scheck said after the plea that people like Anderson who engage in misconduct tend to be serial offenders. Now, this afternoon, Anderson pleaded no contest to criminal contempt of court charge. It stems from Michael Morton's 1987 criminal case. Anderson denied having evidence favorable to Morton. That wasn't true. Now the Innocence Project is teaming up with the current DA. They will review all the cases Anderson prosecuted in his 16 years as the DA. Now, after the plea, Anderson was sentenced to 10 days in jail, getting credit for 1 day. He'll also pay a $500 fine and serve 500 hours of community service. Now, it's that 10-day sentence that has so many people in Central Texas outraged. Take a look. We have lots of people, including Christopher Frank Jones, just saying that's it. We also heard from Kim Dawn. She said outrageous, 10 days for taking away 25 years of a man's life. And Susan Perrinales said that, in part, at least Ken Anderson will not be able to hurt anyone else in the same way again. And she's right. Anderson did give up his law license, but the reason his sentence is only 10 days is because the tampering with evidence charge was dropped as part of the plea deal. Anderson could have received 10 years for that. Michael Morton, however, is satisfied, saying all he wanted was to make sure Anderson was off the bench and no longer practicing law. Anderson must report to jail by December 2nd. And KITV, by the way, was able to obtain a copy of the order. You can read it for yourself on KITV.com.